Back. If you don't want to go to the doctor's office to get intravenous therapy, there is an alternative. In today's Healthy Habits with Dr. J, Dr. Lana Joseph-Ford introduces us to Align Infusion, where infusion therapy is done in your own home.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Healthy Habits with Dr. J. Today we're going to talk about different illnesses and diseases that can be treated with something called infusion therapy. Joining us today, we have our special guest, Dr. Darvis Harvey of Align Infusion. Welcome, Dr. Harvey.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Thank
Appreciate
you
it.
for being here. So let's get right into it, right? What in the world is infusion therapy?
Okay, so infusion therapy is therapy that occurs through the vein. It's intravenous therapy used to treat a variety of conditions.
Awesome, awesome. And Dr. Harvey, I'm going to just tell you business this morning. You are a pharmacist. And, there's a difference between pharmacy and infusion therapy, right? How did you get into infusion therapy?
Yeah, sure. So I practiced many years as a retail pharmacist, and I just saw that it was a great need for home infusion pharmacies here in the region. There are currently some infusion pharmacies, but um, I did transition from retail pharmacy to an infusion pharmacy, treating people inside their homes, in the comfort of their homes, or in one of our private infusion suites.
And I think that point right there is really important, especially with COVID-19 and coronavirus, right? People
Yes.
are wanting to get their treatment at home now. Tell me a little
Yeah.
bit more about how Align helps to provide that treatment at home.
Yes. So, for a variety of conditions such as multiple sclerosis, Crohn's disease, and several other chronic conditions that people live with, Line Infusion contracts with nurses that go out to a patient's home and administers the medication therapy in the comfort of their home, as opposed to going to a hospital or a clinic.
And I know a few of our viewers are probably wondering, well, what is the difference between infusion therapy and dialysis? Because I go to my dialysis center. Why would I get infusion therapy? So can you tell us what's the difference? Is it the same or is it different?
No, it's completely different. So infusion therapy can treat a variety of infections as well as conditions, but dialysis refers strictly to kidney treatment, treating those that are suffering with kidney failure. So it's quite different.
Yes, it is. So tell us a little bit about the conditions that are used to, or that infusion therapy is used to treat.
Absolutely. One of the main conditions is severe allergy conditions that is treated with intravenous immunoglobulin therapy, as well as, like I mentioned, multiple sclerosis. We also treat total parental nutrition, people who can't swallow, that have to have their medication, have their nutrition sent to them through a tube. So those are just some of the conditions that we treat here.
So if anyone watching suffers with any of these conditions that you mentioned, it may be a good idea for them to contact you and to inquire from their physician about infusion therapy. Thanks so much for joining us, Dr. Harvey.
Thanks for having me.
All right, guys, and there you have it, all about infusion therapy. For more information about Dr. Darvis Harvey or infusion therapy, please visit my website, www.drlanajoseph4.com, also our social media pages.